Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove duplicate entries from a list in Excel. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. Here, we have a list of names and email addresses. But notice some entries, like Sarah Mitchell and James Cooper, appear more than once. Click any cell within your list of data, to let Excel know where to look for duplicates. Click on the Data tab. And then click Remove Duplicates. Make sure that My Data has headers is checked. Then click OK. Excel tells you exactly how many duplicate values were found and removed. And that's it. All duplicate entries have been removed, leaving only unique rows in your list. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.